Hey there! Are you struggling to find your niche on YouTube? Welcome back to Let's Talk Today. Today, we're diving deep into how to find that perfect niche for your YouTube channel. Now, if you're like me and feeling lost, don't worry, you're in the right place. Now, yesterday, I posted my very first video on this channel. And if you go back and watch that video, I admitted that I did not know exactly what this channel was going to be about. As at yesterday, I did not know exactly what I would be sharing with my audience. But after watching countless videos over the last several weeks, anticipating starting a channel, I said, you know what? I think I have found the niche as at this moment. And that niche is basically the process itself. The process of starting a YouTube channel from scratch, working it all the way to monetization and beyond, and sharing that journey with my audience. Keep watching this video because towards the end, I'm going to share with you a really cool tool that'll help you brainstorm different ideas on how to find your niche. So, why is finding your niche so important? Finding your niche is crucial for successful monetization on YouTube. Why? Because a niche helps you stand out in a sea of content creators, making it easier for your audience to find you, relate to you, and keep coming back for more. But let's be honest, it's not easy. I know that firsthand. I mean, with millions of videos uploaded every day, standing out can feel like an uphill battle. Without a clear niche, your content can get lost and your growth can stall. So, what are some issues here? There's oversaturation. I mean, there are countless creators out there. Without a niche, your videos might just blend in. Who wants to blend in? We want to stand out. And then there's the issue of audience confusion. If your content is all over the place, your audience won't know what to expect and they might not stick around. And then there's algorithm issues. YouTube's algorithm favors channels with a clear focus. So a niche helps the algorithm understand who to show your videos to. And then on the flip side, let's talk about the benefits of finding your niche. You have a loyal audience. A niche helps to attract a dedicated audience who shares your interests. You basically find your people. It helps with producing higher engagement. I mean, when viewers find exactly what they're looking for, they're more likely to engage with your content. And then there's monetization opportunities. Brands and advertisers love niche audiences because they're more targeted and engaged. Let me share some success stories to inspire you. I mean, there's so many out there. Like, look at Tayo Aina. He found his niche in travel vlogging with a cinematic touch, delving into lifestyle and travel and culture. And with that, he's built a great following. Or there's CCME, who carved out a niche by sharing food recipes, sharing her family, lifestyle, and relationship talk. There are countless content creators out there who have found their niche and are super focused. So now I'm going to switch over to sharing my screen with you guys. All right, guys, as promised, I am going to be sharing with you guys this handy dandy tool called ChatGPT. And in case you've been living under a rock, ChatGPT and AI in general is all the buzz right now, guys. Artificial intelligence to do everything. So, ChatGPT, you have a free version and you have a paid version. I have not paid for this, and you can do the same until you have come up to a point where you require the paid version for whatever situation you need to use it for. But for the purpose of this particular demonstration, we are going with a free version. All you do is go to chatgpt.com. That's chatgpt.com. And you can just put in the prompt here. So what we're looking for is for ChatGPT to tell us several different ideas for YouTube niches for our new channel. So with that, you may choose to paste a prompt like this one that says, give me 20 niche ideas for my new YouTube channel, and you press enter. Doo-doo-doo. All right, look at this. Now, ChatGPT has a memory. I've been here before, and these are like some ideas that are catered towards someone like myself based on the questions I have asked it in recent times. So you can narrow this down. You could say 20 ideas for a YouTube channel about side hustles or about passive income or about investing. And look at these, all right? Side hustles, passive income, freelancing, investing, cryptocurrency, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, if you want to ask it for ideas, you could say 20 niche ideas for a YouTube channel about food. All right, it's updating its memory. So budget cooking, healthy recipes. You see that? And this is a way to brainstorm. You can apply the same prompt for 20 ideas about travel. There you go. Budget travel, luxury. And it just goes on like that, right? You can use the same platform once you found your niche to identify a YouTube name related to that niche. So I hope this helps. So let's wrap it up. Finding a niche is essential for standing out and growing your YouTube. It attracts a loyal audience, increases engagement, and opens up monetization opportunities. And remember, even the biggest YouTubers started with finding their niche. Now, I want to hear from you. What niche ideas are you considering? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on monetization. And let's grow together on this journey to success. Thanks for watching. Let's talk today. See you in the next video.